Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. P channel. The wait is over. Fortnite is available on Android devices, sort of. And what I mean by sort of, that Fortnite available only on Samsung devices, and not all Samsung devices, but on the Samsung S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, and Samsung S9, S9 Plus, and obviously now Note 9 that was launched a couple of days ago. And it's not available in the Google Play Store. You need to go to a Fortnite website, download the app because it's unofficial and it's not available in Google Play Store. And when you go and download the file from the Fortnite page, you will get this Fortnite installer, which you're gonna press, which is gonna download and install the game. So it's like an APK downloader. So that's fine. I done all that, and I opened the game on my phone just to download 1.2 or 1.5 gigabytes of data. But now it's all installed, ready to go. So I have my keyboard and a mouse connected, and I have my Xbox One controller. So let's see if I can play Fortnite on my deck station. So let's go and open up. Oops, wrong button. So let's search. Is it actually available in the launcher? Yes. So game launcher opens up, full screen mode. Let's see how it goes. I never tried this game, how it's running on a deck station. So what you see is basically first time what I'm seeing as well. Okay, Fortnite is loading. I have, like I said, my Xbox controller, Bluetooth Xbox One controller connected just in case, but obviously first I will try to play with the keyboard and a mouse and see if I can basically control the game using a keyboard and a mouse. Right, let's see if my keyboard's fine. Loading is nearly finished. Come on. Patching, okay. An update is required. Confirm. Okay. Oh, my hopes just been shattered. Okay. So apparently I need to update this. Right, okay. Let's see if I can actually do something about it. I'll put the screen thingy on over it, and I unplugged my S8 Plus from a deck station, so it's turning back to normal phone mode. So what I'll do now is I'll open the same game on my phone and try to see if I can update this patch. So let's go and find my game. So Fortnite. So open up the game on my phone. Come on. It's connecting. It's doing something. Well, I can see only black screen, but I hope. Here we are. I got the game running. So it's doing all this preload page again, the screen. So let's see, loading Fortnite. So far I noticed that the keyboard and the mouse, no, I definitely connected keyboard and mouse. Well, obviously because I was controlling it. When I noticed that this game is available to be played on Samsung phones, I was waiting for this day to record the video so much, and now it's like, don't want to go. I'm annoyed at least. Okay, let's wait because it's right now doing a loading screen. I just hope the patch won't gonna take that much time. It's not gonna be like a data file that wasn't loading like 1.2 plus ish gigabytes. It's still loading. Come on. Okay. Oh, I tapped confirm. That's fine. And it's basically kicked me out. So if I search for Fortnite installer, is that the app I need to use? Oh, so I can see Epic Games. Update. Yes, I had to open the Fortnite installer to do an update. So right now it's done loading. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but this is done loading. Is 45%, 55%, 62, 67, 73, 80, 87%. Let's keep going. At least the update is fast. Okay, it's installing an update now. So right, okay, this is new. Well, the game required an update, so instead of going in a game and doing an update, you actually need to open the Fortnite installer, and this way you're gonna do an update, because possibly what's happening is Google Play Store is not available, or this game is not available on Google Play Store. And you know, you usually go to Google Play Store and you don't do an update, so Google Play Store pushes an updated APK file. Obviously, because the Google is not involved in this, the Fortnite themselves needs to push the new APK, and that's why Fortnite installer I'm using for this reason. Okay, so it's still doing, it's installing. It's saying at the bottom it's installing. Obviously this video is going to be uncut. I'm just going to record this exactly my experience. Okay, so that's done. Okay, it says launch. So what I'll do, I'll close this. I'll plug my phone back in the deck station if I can. Here we are, phone's back in the deck station. So hopefully it should start deck station mode. Yes. So let's wait for deck station mode to finish. Oh, it's gonna ask for my face detection. Go and lock this. Oh no, that's fine. Right. So let's go back to games. Open Fortnite. Let's try again. Please, I want this to work. All right, 190 megabytes of. Fine, let's wait. My deck station is connected via 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so I should get a decent, well, download speed and a decent gameplay, if I'll be able to actually play. Because right now it's, well, I'm recording right now for like 7 minutes, and that's all I've done is just downloaded files. Come on, 180, come on, bingo, installing, yes. So far from a screenshot, you can see it's a touch screen, and well, touch inputs to play about, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to play this. Obviously there is always an option. If you watch my previous videos, it's GameSir X1, which turns your phone, basically you put your phone in this holder, you connect keyboard and a mouse, and you can map keyboard and mouse keys onto this. But come on, this is, I would say it's doable to play Fortnite using this gizmo, but it's not practical. I don't know, I might do a video. Do you want to see a video how you use GameSir X1 and map the keyboard keys? If this fails, this is a plan B. No, this is plan C, because if a keyboard and mouse fails, obviously, hopefully the Xbox One controller will work. If that fails, then I'm gonna try this. But let me know if you wanna see this video where I'm gonna try Xbox One, GameSir X1 gaming battle dock, which I done a video of playing Rules of Survival. No, what else it was? PUBG and Rules of Survival. So let me know if you want to see this. This is basically game dock station, whatever thing, optimizing content, and it's like taking forever. Nearly 10 minutes of recording this, and I've seen absolutely no gameplay yet. And yeah, I'm all gonna cut this video. I'm just gonna show you exactly what frustration you will have when you want to jump straight in a game, but you have all this. If you're gonna go, let's say, you're gonna play this game only on your phone and you go into your friend's house and you want to play like a LAN party or something, make sure you have an update ready, because it takes forever. And I mean like 10 minutes and 20 seconds now since I started recording this video. Seriously, come on. At least I have my cup of tea here. Come on. Optimize your content. It's annoying. Just showing me screenshots, but no actual. Like, I just, come on, it's so close. I got like so close. Come on, go. It's downloaded 190 megabytes, and it needs to do this optimize. Why? What now? Come on. Minutes, nearly 12 minutes. What's this? Oh, 12 minutes of loading screens. I would like to apologize at this stage. I would like to apologize that I'm wasting your time on this video, but if you're still watching, thank you very much. You are a legend. Appreciate. Let's hope this works. Patching. God damn it. You are. Oh, right. Oh, find my account. Bloody hell, why is not working? And what's more annoying about all this? Fortnite launched this game only on Samsung devices, starting with Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9. All these 6 phones are capable of doing DeckStation experience. DeckStation experience turns your phone into a computer. You can use keyboard and a mouse. And Fortnite decides to launch this game specifically for these devices and not supporting DeckStation. Why? Xbox controller is connected, isn't it? Xbox wireless control, yes. Oh well, this is my first experience of trying to play Fortnite Android beta. Hold on. Because it's still in the beta mode, might be in the future be able to play. Might be. I don't know. Anyway, it is rubbish. I'm really annoyed now, and I mean like I'm really angry about this. Anyway, I'm so sorry that I wasted 15 minutes of your precious time. This was my first impression or first attempt to play Fortnite on my DeckStation. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you won't gonna smash this like button because of this stupid video. I appreciate your feedbacks. Subscribe to my channel to see more, hopefully, more useful information than this. And I see you in the near future. Thank you and goodbye.